5 months ago, I converted the rear liftgate strut on my 2014 Toyota Highlander from automatic open and close to manual open and close. It was not the ideal option, but it was only 1/5 of the cost to replace the automatic strut. Depending on how often you use the liftgate, the manual struts will wear out and need to be replaced. I open my rear liftgate about 30 times per week because I do a lot of deliveries with my Toyota Highlander. However, you can significantly reduce the number of times you open the liftgate by using the window to access the back. Please note that this feature is not available for all Toyota Highlanders. I will take you through the process of replacing a bad manual liftgate strut, and this can take less than 5 minutes. If you find this video helpful so far, please like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I bought these liftgate struts on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. In the box are the struts along with an installation guide. It is important to match the aftermarket strut with the OEM strut to see if they match, and in this case they are almost a perfect match. To install these struts is very simple, and this can be done in less than 5 minutes. The only tool needed is a flathead screwdriver. Place the screwdriver in this little slot right here to remove the clip. Also remove a similar clip at the other end. Use one hand to hold the liftgate and the other hand to remove the manual strut. A strong controlled push is required. Now, install the new strut by attaching the end to the bracket. You will hear a snap when it is properly installed. Do the same for the other side and the job is done. When opening and closing the rear liftgate, there are some signs that will indicate when the strut is going bad. One sign of a bad strut is when oil is leaking through the rubber seals. So if you ever see that this area is oily, that is an indication that the strut is bad or getting bad. Another sign that the strut is going bad is when the liftgate does not finish the opening process after you have got it started. In my case, the seals were leaking oil and the strut was not completely opening the liftgate. The strut tends to hold the liftgate a bit when the outdoor temperature is cold, as it is holding up a bit right now. But when it's warm, it will not stay open. This is how the strut currently lifting the liftgate, and as you can see, it is not completing the opening process. This is how it should open by pushing the liftgate automatically once you got it started. The 2014 Toyota Highlander XLE comes with an automatic liftgate, and as I mentioned earlier, I converted the automatic struts to manual struts because this was cheaper than replacing the automatic struts. Furthermore, it is highly likely that the automatic struts will get bad depending on how often you use it. This conversion from automatic strut to manual strut was very easy because the LE model comes with manual struts and they could fit the XLE model. However, there are aftermarket liftgate struts that can be used, and this video will be replacing the OEM liftgate strut with an aftermarket strut. I was not able to find a manual aftermarket strut for a 2014 or newer Toyota Highlander, so I had to measure the OEM manual strut and find an aftermarket manual strut with similar measurements. The struts will need to be measured while compressed as well as extended from the point where the brackets connect at both ends. While the strut is on the car, you won't be able to make the compressed measurement because the liftgate would be closed. Therefore, you will have to estimate the measurement while it is compressed based on how long the end is. In this case, the measurement was about 18 inches when compressed and about 25 inches when extended. You will now have to search for an aftermarket liftgate strut with similar measurement. The Infiniti QX56 year 2004 to 2010, as well as the Nissan Armada year 2005 to 2014 were similar to the 2014 Toyota Highlander. The aftermarket liftgate struts for these two make cars were 17.91 when compressed and 25.24 when extended, so this is almost a perfect fit. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified after I upload a video. See you on the next one, guys.